Hello everyone. In this video, we will show how to test a trading strategy on Tradingview using the momentum strategy, and how to understand the results shown in the strategy tester, which appears automatically once the strategy is added. This is one of the best ways to evaluate a strategy before using it in real trading. Let's get started. First, we open Tradingview and load the chart we want to test. We choose a market and time frame that fits our strategy, like crypto on the 1-hour chart or stocks on the daily chart. Next, we click on indicators at the top of the screen. From the indicator menu, we switch to technicals and then click strategies. From here, we scroll down and find the momentum strategy. As soon as we add it, buy and sell signals will show up on the chart, and the strategy tester panel will automatically open at the bottom. This is where all performance data is shown. Now let's walk through the key metrics we see. First, total P&L. This shows the overall profit and loss the strategy made during the backtest period. Next is max equity drawdown. This is extremely important. It tells us the largest drop in our account balance during the test and helps us understand the risk of the strategy. Then we have total trades. This shows how many trades the strategy took over the selected time frame. After that, we see profitable trades. This shows how many of those trades ended in profit. Usually, this is displayed as a percentage. And finally, profit factor. This compares total profits to total losses. A value above 1 means the strategy is profitable overall, while higher numbers show stronger performance. These metrics together help us judge not just profitability, but also consistency and risk. Now let's customize the strategy icon. Click this and a gear icon will appear. This is the settings icon. Here, we go to inputs. We can adjust the length to make the strategy more aggressive or more conservative. Once we click OK, Tradingview instantly recalculates all the results using the new settings. We can also change time frames or switch markets to see how the strategy behaves in different conditions. One important reminder, we should not focus only on total P and L. A strategy with high profit but massive drawdown is often harder to trade in real life. Backtesting is about understanding probabilities, not finding perfection. Using the momentum strategy is a great way to learn how the Tradingview strategy tester works and how to evaluate performance properly. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Tradingview tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.